Hi and welcome to the September board update. Our main news since the last video is the AGM was held up in the Millennium Hall in Garndifferth, and it was lovely to see some of our members there. We also had two special guests. We had a member from the Welsh Assembly Government and also the Director of Community Housing Cymru. So the board would like to just say a quick thank you to all of those who attended and to the staff for all their help in getting the event underway. Moving on to the board business, September was a very busy agenda due to the August break, and so my intention is to just highlight a couple of the main stories from the meeting. However, if you'd like any additional information on this meeting, a full copy of the agenda meeting is available on the Bron Afon website. Perhaps the first thing I should talk about is it was the board's re-election of both the chair and vice chair. So I can officially announce that I am still the chair of Bron Afon and the vice chair is Liz Haynes. Moving on to items from the meeting, the first one I'd like to mention is really an update from the July video where I informed members that Bron Afon were due to close the last two area offices, which was sad, however, that we were going to redirect the resources to the frontline help desk and getting the phones answered. So I'm really pleased to report that the early information collected and the data is showing real positive effects on reduction of call answering times. So hopefully people are also sharing their experience of reduced waiting. The second item that I'd like to mention is the board received a presentation from the community-based working teams showing all the hard work that they've done over the last 12 months. And there's some really lovely outcomes, and the board were pleased to see some great photos and stories. Some of the areas have engaged fully with the community teams and have had real positive impacts locally, and have managed to get together and do estate inspections, and they've got together for calendar events such as Easter and things going on at Christmas. And even one area creating their own action group. I think the board would like to say that a lot of these community ideas are reliant on you as residents to involve yourselves to make them successful. So I would just urge people to keep an eye out for posters that Bron Afon have got locally in the community advertising various events, and to get yourself involved and have your say and enjoy spending time in your own community. I think most of the other business is less interesting, and therefore if you do wish to read on, then as I mentioned earlier, please feel free to go and see our agenda in full on the Bron Afon website. Until next time, thank you very much. Bye.